You don't like?
No. You're
It's 3. How much?
three something.
Ah, kulang?
No.
Para walang po sa change namin.
Yeah, okay. No, it's not.
Ah, okay.
Three something. No. I mean, it's just like we share the food. We share
Okay,
the
that's only one sometimes, not always, right? This is not the last. Hopefully next.
No, we just wait for the change.
Come. It's done?
No. I just wait for the change.
Ah. Okay, by the way, thank you, EJ. Sis,
We
yeah,
got to do
nice
this.
meeting
We
you.
got to get together again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hopefully by
you know-
next year, if I will come.
3 hours, 4 hours is not enough.
And thank you,
Having dinner at
Mary Grace.
here with Maria.
Yes,
Lily
guys.
Beth, got her husband Tate. Check
Yeah.
out the channel. I posted
Bye everyone.
version and
I'm going now. Yeah, 50 for the counter. Yeah. So I will leave now.
see ya.
Sa counter na lang natin ano yung antayin.
Okay, let's go. We just wait for
Yeah, for the counter. Yeah. Bye, Captain Billy Jack. Yeah, it's already night. And EJ will need to travel going back to Angeles, Pampanga, you know, that's why. So, yeah, we need to leave now. And also, Lilibet is there and Frank. So, the total bill is very cheap, really. You know, it's the food is good, satisfied. Bye, Kim. Bye, everyone. Bye, 60. No, will not. It will not 6 pesos. 6K? No, that's why. So, bye, bye, EJ. Bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hope see next time.
Next time, yeah.
Yeah. Bye-bye. So, paano? Kayo?
Mauna ka na? Waiting for the change.
Ah, okay.
No, but this is called me change.
Yeah, there is. There's a hole in mine.
If you want to, you sit first.
There's
Yeah.
a what?
We have a line. We have a line.
There's a line for the change.
Yeah, we have a line. You will take it? Bakit?
Ha? Ano, yung leksyon na sa pag matagal siya.
Ah. Bye everyone. My signal it will be gone. So, bye Chris. See you next week. That's not bad for adult. Yeah. It's not. No, not 10K. My God, closer to for the 10 No, not 10. Just only 3,005 something. 3,500. OMG. Yes, Kip. It's very cheap. Yeah. Later, Kim. Bye, Kim. I walk with Mama Maria now too, Jollibee. No, I'm very full. Just say it all. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye, Kim. Bye, Seven Ways. Bye, Chris. Bye, Peter. Bye, Halfway. Bye, Billy. Bye, everyone. God bless everyone. And see you my next vlog. Okay. See, I'm here in Mall of Asia. Yeah, waiting for the change with the Sis Lilibet. OMG. Yeah, it's so cheap actually. Maria is full. Chris, wait 10 minutes. No, enjoy your day po. Bye, Chris. Yeah, Peter. She want to end. So you cannot eat again. No. Cheers, Pep, Babush. Yeah, go to Jollibee na. No, I'm full. Chicken Joy with the spaghetti. No, I'm so full na. Bye, Sis Serge. Thank you, Serge. Thank you, Sis Mars Bangkod. Thank you, everyone. And God bless you. And my next live. This coming next Saturday, I think. Yeah. Hopefully, if I will travel going back to Macau, yes, I will. Or we'll see, yeah. See you soon po. Bye, Chris. With the spaghetti. Bye. God bless. Bye-bye.